welcome to step 6. We are going to start working here on writing your thesis, and some of you that were working with me in opinion writing on your thesis, you should remember what a thesis is. It really doesn't change, and the object of a thesis is to make sure that you clearly tell me what it is that you're explaining. Okay, so if we go back and we look at the thesis statement here, we're looking at, in our opinion, you told me what you believe or what you feel. Now, instead, you're going to explain something to me, okay? So your thesis statement is the topic, and then what will you teach me about that topic? Very simply. Because you don't want your reader to go into your topic with no idea of what it is you are going to cover. You're just leading them blindly through something. Don't do that to your reader. Your thesis statement tells the reader the topic and then what you will be teaching about that topic or what you will be explaining in that topic. Critical. That way your reader is prepared. It helps prepare your reader to understand and to think about what you are covering. So that thesis statement is critically important. It ties sometimes into your introduction, but I'm keeping the introduction a little bit separate. The thesis statement tells your reader, prepares them. Here's my topic, and here's what I'll cover. Very quickly, very simply. And it's usually not a very complicated thing. Okay? So, it's part of the standard for the 4.2a because you are going to try to introduce that topic. Tell me it extremely clearly what it is you're teaching. Guppies. Now, what are you going to cover when you cover this guppy topic? Okay? Because I don't know anything about guppies, you're thinking. Maybe your reader doesn't have a clue about guppies. And then I'm going to say, I'm going to see guppies, and then we're going to cover this, this, and this. So then your reader's like, aha, okay. So now this is what's going to happen. So it prepares the reader to go down that journey with you. So you're just not surprising your reader. The thesis is basically kind of like the gist of your paper. Extremely important. Make sure that you do a good job with your thesis because it is critical to any writing that you do. Critical that you clue your reader into topic, what you're going to be covering, as simply and as clearly as possible. And I'm going to teach you how to do that. It's fairly easy. We'll go with a very rough thesis. Okay? So, I will see you in the next video. I will show you how to use this sheet. So, the video directions on how to use this sheet will be next. I will see you soon.